Today we are going to look at a German Olympiad problem. We are given that 1 plus 2 equals 7. Of course, this statement is incorrect. Our goal is to move just one matchstick to make the equation true. Can you figure it out? If you enjoy problems like this, don't forget to like and comment. First, let's look at the plus sign. If we move one matchstick, the plus can become a minus. That gives us two possible situations. In the first case, -1 minus 2 equals 7. Clearly that is wrong, because the correct result is -3. In the second case, 1 minus 2 equals -7. That is also wrong, because the correct result is -1. So we cannot change the plus sign. Next, let's look at the number 1. If we move a matchstick, the number 1 can only become 7. That would give us 7 plus 2 equals 1. But that is also incorrect, because the correct answer is 9. So we cannot move the matchsticks on the number 1. Now, let's check the number 2. By moving one matchstick, the number 2 can become either 3 or 6. If we change 2 into 3, then we would have 1 plus 3 equals 7. But that is wrong, because the correct result is 4. If we change 2 into 6, then we get 1 plus 6 equals 1. That is also wrong, because the correct answer is 7. So changing the number 2 does not work either. The equal sign has two matchsticks, but we are not allowed to move them. That leaves us with only one option, moving a matchstick from the number 7. If we do that, the 7 can be turned into a 1. The extra matchstick can then be placed in front of the original 1, making it -1. The equation now becomes -1 plus 2 equals 1. And this time it is correct.